Top 15 National Science Day Activities for Students. Hello everyone. National Science Day is celebrated every year on the 28th of February in India. This day marks the discovery of the Raman Effect by the great Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. National Science Day is not just about remembering a discovery. It is about encouraging curiosity. It is about promoting scientific thinking. And it is about inspiring young minds. If you are a teacher planning activities for classes 3 to 8 students, this video will help you. Here are 15 simple, safe, creative, and learning-based activities that students will enjoy. Let's begin. Activity number 1. Light and color activity, inspired by the Raman effect. Use a prism or even a simple CD. Show students how white light splits into different colors. Explain in simple words that light interacts with materials and reveals hidden colors. This activity is easy to conduct. It is visually beautiful. And it directly connects to the reason we celebrate this day. Activity number 2. Solar Box Oven. Students can build a simple solar cooker using any box, aluminum foil, black paper, and plastic wrap. This teaches renewable energy in a practical way. Students understand how sunlight can be converted into heat. It works best for classes 6 to 8. And it makes learning about solar energy exciting. Activity number 3. Paper Rocket Challenge. Inspired by India's space missions conducted by ISRO. Students can make simple chart paper rocket models. Launch them using air pressure or balloons. You can even turn it into a friendly competition. This activity combines science, teamwork, and fun. Activity number 4. Waste to Wealth Creations. Ask students to build robots or futuristic machines using recycled materials. They can use old boxes, cardboards, newspapers, or even plastic containers. This activity promotes creativity and environmental awareness at the same time. Activity number 5. Natural Indicator Chemistry. Instead of using chemical indicators, use turmeric or red cabbage. Test lemon juice, soap solution, baking soda, or vinegar. Students will observe color changes. They learn about acids and bases in a safe and interesting way. Activity number 6. The classic baking soda volcano. Even though it is traditional, students still love it. The bubbling reaction creates excitement. It clearly shows a chemical reaction. Always ensure teacher supervision for safety. Activity number 7. Science Detective Scavenger Hunt. Prepare simple science clues. Hide them around the classroom or school. Students will solve each clue to reach the next stage. This builds problem-solving skills and keeps students fully engaged. Activity number 8. Mini terrarium or biodiversity activity. Students can create a small ecosystem inside a jar. Add soil, small plants, pebbles, and water. This activity teaches the concept of ecosystems and plant science. It also connects to environmental awareness. Activity number 9. Scientist Fancy Dress. Students can dress up as Indian scientists. They can prepare a short 1-minute speech. They can explain the contribution of the scientists they represent. This builds confidence and also spreads awareness about Indian scientific achievements. Activity number 10. DIY Slime Experiment. Using safe ingredients like glue and baking soda, students will create non-Newtonian slime. They can also explain how it behaves like both a solid and a liquid. This experiment fascinates middle school students. Activity number 11. Mini Science Fair. Students can display simple working models like water cycle model, solar system model, rainwater harvesting system, windmill or even simple electric circuit. This can be the main highlight of your celebration. Invite parents or other classes to visit. Activity number 12. Static electricity balloon race. Rub balloons on hair or wool. Use static electricity to move paper bits. You can even organize a small race. Students enjoy seeing invisible forces in action. Activity number 13. Planetarium visit or virtual space tour. If your city has a planetarium, plan a visit. If not, arrange a virtual space documentary session. Students are always curious about space. This activity increases excitement and imagination. Activity number 14. Interactive and lively science quiz-like. Guess the invention. Identify the scientist. Rapid-fire questions. This activity works well for both primary and middle school students. Activity number 15. Innovation Corner My Invention for India 2047. Ask students to draw or describe an invention they want to create for the future. Maybe a pollution cleaning machine, a water-saving device, a smart farming tool. This activity encourages creative thinking and long-term vision. All these activities are simple. They are safe. They are educational. And they are exciting for students from class 3 to 8. National Science Day is not only about experiments. It is about curiosity. It is about asking questions. It is about thinking logically. And it is about building the future through science. Choose the activities that match your school's resources. Combine experiments with competitions. And most importantly, make science interesting and joyful. Thank you so much for watching the video. Happy National Science Day 2026.